Hi everybody, welcome back, Marty's here. Today I received my new saddlebags from MOTEA. I will move from a leather bison bag to the new rigid ones that I prefer, more in line with the new style of my FatBob. I hope that you can take inspiration from the change. There is some work to do, so let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to my page and keep in touch. These are the saddlebags that just arrived from MOTEA. I just take the key that is inside the pack. Not so big, but it's enough for the use that I want. A boot shoe, so I can use on the right and left side, and you have to adapt it, making the hole for the installation. The pack just arrived with the fixed installation kit. But I prefer the mobile kit, so I take it in a different order and I will to install it so I can change and take off the bags if I don't want to use it on my travel or my day travel, for example. I'm satisfied, the bag is good. Of course, not expensive bag, but the quality is fine. I already have a leather bag from Bison, I will show you. Of course, it's bigger. I have already the removable kit here. So my idea is to change between them depending on the needs. I will make the choice. And I will modify the attach so that I can simply attach one or the other one. I will show you how. Okay, so let's work. I make a small sign here. I take it on this line and just to cross over the signals. Okay, so we have the sign. This is the fixing pack. So now we have to make the holes. I suppose this one will be fine. Up so, if you want, if not I can enlarge. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I just see that we have to put this part on rubber. Yeah, so we have to enlarge a little bit the hole. So let's do it for the other hole. Okay, so now that the rubber are applied, I will use this bar as a reinforcement inside in order to keep the saddlebag more fixed. Okay, so here we are. As I told you, I use the bar inside to give more stability and solidity. But then the saddlebag is in plastic, so I prefer to put some metal to keep it more secure and safe. So the result is not so bad. So let's work now on the bike. On the right side, the kit is pretty simple. We have these 2 bolts with 2 spacers, so that we can apply the bag. In this side I personalized a little bit the kit because I added the bolt in the spacer of the previous Bison bag, and I put this iron bar so that I can have both the kit together. So the idea is that I can choose to put the Bison bag like this, or I can change and put the other bag, the rigid one, like this. Easy game. Now that everything is in place, I found these nice decals on the web, and yeah, I like it. It's good. It gives a nice look to the saddlebag. Okay, so here we are. The final result from my point of view is good.